How to text chat in Roblox on PS5. Hi everyone, this is Kate here, and on today's video I will show you how you can use the text chat feature in Roblox on PS5. So without further delay, let's get into it. First of all, you have to enable chat on Roblox account. So now open up Roblox in your device. Since you cannot do that in your PS5, so you have to log in into Roblox either on your mobile device or on the PC. Once you're logged in, click on the settings icon at the top right and here, go to settings. Now head towards privacy and content restriction. Now go to the communication option. Select the experience chat and make sure that you have set this first option, that is experience chat, to everyone, and also make sure that this direct chat is also set to everyone. So once you have enabled these options for the chat on your Roblox account, either through your mobile device or on your PC, now you have to go to your Roblox on your PS5. So open Roblox on your PS5. After that, join any of the game. So once you're inside the game, you have to press the touchpad button on your PS5 controller. That will open up a chat box at the side of the screen. Then, using the PS5's on-screen keyboard, you have to type your message. Once you're done, press the R2 button to send your message to other players. That's it. That's how you can text chat on Roblox on PS5. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.